Welcome to the CleverTap product video series. In this video, you will learn how to gain deep insights from your user data using flows in CleverTap. Flows provide a comprehensive overview of how users navigate through your app or website. This offers insights into common paths and identifies where users might encounter obstacles. Using flows, you can isolate any user journey beginning, ending, or specific events completed within a defined conversion timeframe. Also, you can filter flows by any specific segment of users. There are two types of flows analysis you can perform: event flows and content flows. Event flows provide information on actions carried out by users before or after performing an event. For example, what actions users performed after or before performing the product purchased event. On the other hand, content flows provide information on what actions users performed before or after consuming a specific content, product, or page. For example, what food item did users view before or after viewing pasta? Consider you are a food delivery app interested in analyzing what users explored after viewing a certain food item in your app. CleverTap's intuitive dashboard offers a sunburst chart to easily interpret customer interactions. Now, let's demonstrate how to achieve this example use case from the CleverTap dashboard. To do so, navigate to Analytics from the CleverTap dashboard and then click Flows. Select Content Flows, as this use case falls under Content Flows. The Content Flows page opens. As part of the example use case, select the food item viewed event. Start the flow with the food item name. For example, Sprint Rolls. Select Top 50 as the analysis value to analyze a large array of events. Set the look-ahead window to 15 minutes, considering that food ordering generally has short sessions in an app. After defining the flows criteria, click View Flows, and the sunburst chart displays. In this sunburst chart, the single biggest food item selected in terms of frequency is the spring roll, followed by General Tso's chicken, Szechuan tofu, and veggie lo mein. You can click Spring Roll and further drill down to get a more granular event flow that shows that after viewing Spring Roll, these users viewed other items, such as honey walnut shrimp, General Tso's chicken, vegetable fried rice, and so on. You can define the interaction depth and drill down the interaction in even more depth. Also, you have the option to collapse repeated food items. You can also filter the food items in the analysis result. Furthermore, you have the option to bookmark the flow. Or, you can export the flow's analysis results in a CSV format to collaborate effectively with your team. With flows, you are not just gaining insights, you are unlocking the power to transform your user engagement strategies. For more information, refer to the flows documentation. Thank you for watching. Start using flows analysis in CleverTap today. Stay tuned for more insights and innovations from CleverTap.